LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned about how we can look for buy. That's why I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we need to get the bigger correction and let the price drop one more. This is where what we see, as we can see the price drop, and this is what we get. Okay, there was a few opportunity to look for buy. Okay, and when the price was here, also we get one more drop. We could get the running flat, and this is the last opportunity. Okay, by the way, there was a few opportunity with the small flag and one thing's from the big correction. All right, that's why from when the price was here, I mentioned I need to get the correction, at least one more drop before we look for buy. Okay, as you can see, the price broke this top. Now we want to see what's the next. Okay, first of all, for those traders, they get the trade from here at least, or I mean, after this correction, any trade they get, no, they should, as you can see, the breakout of the top, start to manage. If they want to keep the trade, okay, at least move the stop loss to break even. If not, I mean, if they take out the profit already, then good. Okay, now we want to see what's the next. And if we move to daily chart, this is what we get. We have been looking for this flat. Now we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or we can expect another correction before continuation. How big will be that correction? Because if we move to forward chart, as we can see, the price haven't broke this top yet, which is that the top I'm referring is 205. Okay, because we were expecting maybe this one can give us one more drop to break this one when the price was within this move, because we mentioned we're looking for this. Now still we can expect the price to drop, but may we get one more drop similar to what we have here for continuation. The possibility of the price to retest this low is can be quite less after we see this correction. But now we want to see what we get from here, because now we can expect whether from here or higher one more drop similar to what we have here in the internal correction. And as we can see, the internal correction also got the running flat. Okay, that's why after the breakout of the top I'm referring is almost 196 based on forward chart. If we see exactly 196 or 197, any trade we should watch out. Okay, now based on forward chart, as we can see with the breakout, the indicators make this show us the divergence, and as well here. Okay, that's why we need to see whether there is a one more drop, whether from here we should look for buy or sell. And if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, how about the 1 hour chart? If we put this one in relative to this, MACD doesn't show anything, but the another one shows the divergence, but maybe after a few hours it's not there anymore. Anyway, okay, if we want to look for buy, right now we don't have any trade set up. We will have the possibility of getting the correction for continuation or any drop. Okay, if we want to look for sell any sharp with a flag, we can look get it, and as long as the price come to this low, we start to manage it. This is just what we can say right now because we don't have any trade set up. The low is 179. Okay, and if we want to look for buy, we need to get the bigger correction. Rather than that, we cannot look for buy. If there is a continuation with any small flag, we can look for buy, but we consider as a short-term buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. We need to see what's the next, as I explained, based on higher time frame, whether we should get look for the down move or correction for continuation. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And those the traders, they got the trade after this correction. No, they should watch out the trade. Thanks.